Do minor accidents increase my auto insurance premium? Imagine you're driving home and accidentally bump into a parked car. You might wonder if that little scrape will make your insurance costs go up. When it comes to car insurance, understanding how minor accidents affect your premium is key. Usually, insurance companies do raise your premium after an accident, even if it seems small. But how much it increases depends on several factors. First, they look at whether you were at fault or not. If you caused the accident, your premium is more likely to go up. If you were not at fault, some insurance companies might not increase your rate, but it can vary depending on where you live and your insurer's policies. The increase usually lasts between 3 and 5 years. For minor accidents, the hike can be around 20 to 30%. That means if your premium was $100 a month, it could go up by about $40 to $60 after a minor claim. The severity of the accident also matters. If the damage was small, like a dent or scratch, the premium increase might be smaller. But if the accident involved injuries or significant vehicle damage, the increase could be larger. State laws influence this too. Some states have rules that prevent insurers from raising rates for minor or not at-fault accidents. Another factor is whether your insurance company offers accident forgiveness. This is a program that some insurers provide, which can protect your premium from increasing after your first at-fault accident. If you have this, your minor accident might not affect your premium at all. If you're worried about costs, you can shop around after an accident. Different insurers might offer better rates or have policies that are more forgiving. Also, you could consider adjusting your coverage. Increasing your deductible, which is the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance covers the rest, can lower your premium. Just make sure you can afford that higher deductible if an accident happens. In summary, yes, minor accidents can increase your auto insurance premium. The size of the increase depends on fault, accident severity, state laws, and your insurer's policies. Knowing these details helps you plan better and avoid surprises when it's time to renew your policy.